Turn your antlers around.
Sir. This is amateur hour over here.
The thing's not staying on my head. It's like too small for a kid. It's like a kid head.
Most grown adults don't wear antlers.
Oh no! You guys, let's go!
Hey, you're lucky he's not making you wear the tail. You ready? Oh, ho,
What?
ho, Merry Christmas. Hey everybody, welcome to Weld.com. So just in case Santa missed the mark and you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas, wait, I can't do this without my reindeer. Man Cub,
Yeah, Redbeard.
my reindeer. So just in case Santa missed the mark, you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas, how about a Weld.com beanie? Or maybe a nice Sentinel A50 welding hood. What are you gonna do with that welding hood? You're gonna weld some 7018 rods from ESOP. We got the Val Pack in here while you're wearing your brand new Weld.com branded welding jacket. In addition to that, no shop would be complete without a Phoenix rod oven. Yes, this thing goes up to 300 degrees and you can store all of your electrodes, low hydrogen of course, right on the inside. And when you're not welding, you cruise around town with your brand new Weld.com snapback flat bill hat. That was lame. All right, so all you have to do to enter this competition is click in the link down in the description box. Cameraman's gonna put a link in there. Click on that, fill out the form. Good luck, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Till next time, make it well better than your last.
You still don't like it. I could tell.
All you had to say was learning is key, Mike.